It's a letter. Molly, look this way. Who's it from? Oh. What is it? Can I help you?
Oh, yeah.
Can you take the card out?
Yes.
There you go. Pull it out. There you go. Can you pull it out?
Yes.
Oh, there it is. Look at it. What is it? You see an elephant? What else do you see? Oh, look at the card. It's so pretty. It says, "Happy birthday to you." Happy birthday to you, Molly. Oh, can you open the card?
Yes.
Open it. Oh, here, look. Look inside. Who's it from? What does it say? Here's wishing you lots of fun and happy times. Happy birthday. It's from Aunt Carol. Can you say thank you, Carol? Look here. Look here and say thank you, Carol.
Thank you, Carol.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Gosh.